I'm Vikki Crossland from Meybohm Real Estate. We want to welcome you to 280 Good Hope Farms Road, located in beautiful Aiken, South Carolina. Aiken has a vibrant downtown full of history, culture, arts, and offers a great way of life. Friendly people, quality education, horses, golf, and a variety of cultural activities serves as the heart and soul of this community. This remarkable home offers so much. It's on 5.7 acres. It has 3 bedrooms, bonus room, great living areas, and extraordinary features. Let's go check it out.
This open living room offers a gas fireplace and lots of real oak hardwood floors throughout the home. One of my favorite features of this home is this amazing kitchen. Take a look at this beautiful granite countertop, gas stove top, and high-end steel appliances, plus custom cabinetry.
Isn't that a beautiful master bedroom? But check out the master bath with its king-size tile shower and its freestanding soaking tub.
I want you to take a moment to imagine yourself sitting and relaxing in this beautiful screen porch. Just listen. You could be one with nature.
Here's 648 square feet of extra second garage, perfect for the hobbyist or a person with lots of toys.
Enjoyed seeing some of our favorite features this home has to offer. If you would like to see this home in person, call your favorite realtor or give us a call. We would love to show this amazing home to you. Also, if you're watching this on YouTube, hit the like button and subscribe so you can keep up to date with our other videos.